Hello and welcome to 18A Prices Court, located here in Columbia. 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, nicely landscaped front yard, and also an open backyard with patio. Let's go take a look. All right, we are now in the backyard. It is open. You do have your utility closet right there for storage space. This is the back side of the home. Also, you have your door right here that leads into the kitchen. And with that being said, let's go take a look inside the home. All right, we are now inside the home. As soon as you come in through the front door, you have your living room, pretty good size. Also, you have your ceiling fan window right here to the right. And also another window that looks out into the front of the neighborhood. Straight forward, you have your kitchen. Also very nice style flooring here as well. And you also have your cabinets. Very nice color, complements the counters very well. Also, you have your built-in microwave, refrigerator, stove, and here to the right, you have your dishwasher. Also, a very nice window that looks out into the living room. And to the right, you have your laundry room. And right here, you have your washer and dryer connections. We're going to make our way back through the living room and make a right to door number 1, which is the bathroom. Nice bathroom, same style of flooring in here as in the kitchen for the floors. Also very nice countertops as well, and a pretty large mirror. And here you have your tub. Coming out of this room, we're going to make our way down the hall. First door to the left is bedroom number 1. It is carpeted, actually throughout. Also, you have your light right here, and also you have your window that looks out into the front of the yard. And here you have your closet space. Coming out of this bedroom to the left, you have bedroom number 2. Same style, just a little bit bigger. You have your carpet in here as well. Window that looks out into the front yard of the neighborhood. You also have your light fixture there. And also your double door closet here. Coming out of bedroom number 2, we're going to go across the hall to bedroom number 3, which is the master. About the same size as bedroom number 2. It is carpeted in here as well. Also, you have your window that looks out into the backyard, but this one has the ceiling fan inside. Also, you have your closet right here, and door to the left is the bathroom. All right, you have your bathroom. Same style flooring in here as well, gives it a nice feel, complements the colors in the bathroom as far as the counter space and cabinets. You have your stand-up shower here, and also a pretty good size mirror. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. Address is 18A Price's Court, located here in Columbia. 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.